The AcquaX Electric Pressure Washer delivers a formidable cleaning power of 4,300 pounds per square inch, making it ideal for tackling stubborn stains on a variety of surfaces. Equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles, this pressure washer offers versatile cleaning options from high to low pressure, catering to different surface needs like concrete, wood, and vehicles. With a 20-foot hose and a 35-foot power cord, the AcquaX pressure washer provides ample reach and mobility, complemented by convenient rollers for easy maneuverability. The inclusion of a foam cannon allows for efficient and even foam application, enhancing the cleaning process, especially for car washing. Offering 3 water-sucking options, users can choose between bucket, pool, or faucet connections, adding flexibility to its operation. The upgraded design ensures durability and safety, with features like a metal spiral interface to prevent water leakage and a built-in GFCI on the power cord for easy power management.